Howdy! Have you been wondering about how to organize your reference list? I bring forth the solution. I use CiteFast all the time to generate a reference list for all sources used. Follow through and you will be good to go on your own. 3 main formatting standards are supported: APA, MLA and Chicago. Once the site loads, the default formatting standard for APA is automatically set to the 7th edition while MLA is set to the 8th edition. If other editions are preferred before generating a reference list, then one must click the appropriate button. Now, that is one main advantage because selecting the edition makes it possible to obtain a reference list that conforms to a specific edition for any formatting style. The image on the screen however shows that the edition is set to APA 6 and MLA 7th edition because I had specified them earlier. As such, if I want to choose the latest editions, then I only need to click on the new button with a hyperlink of MLA 8th edition. That way, everything on the styles container changes to the latest editions in use. On the left pane, there is both buttons to select your source, and a search bar. For instance, selecting a journal source implies that whatever you search in the bar returns sources, which are already pre-formatted in your specified formatting style, along with its edition. The search bar allows you to type a string of characters without any order. If you know the title of the journal and at least one author, one can simply key the info in the search bar, and results will be displayed in a drop-down list. For most part, you will always find the source in there. If you don't find it, then a manual entry button can be used to enter all the source's details including the title, journal name, authors and so forth. Once every detail is keyed in, click Save and the source will be added into the reference list at the right pane. Please note that after searching, clicking, and saving the references of choice, they get arranged alphabetically, and a hanging indent is applied as mandated in most formatting styles. On the same note, the generator automatically provides you with in-text citations for every source you save in the list. That means, you can simply add the in-text citations as you write your paper even before creating the references section. Once you are done, all you need to do is click on the Copy or Export feature that is automatically activated right after saving your first reference, and you can transfer the formatted references into your bibliography section. There you go. You now have a references list neatly generated for you. On the same note, you have access to the in-text citation guide based on the formatting style and edition that you specify. Assuming that you close the CiteFast page accidentally, you can open the site once more, and all your references will still be in there depending on where you left. See you in the next video with more academic writing content.